So I'm showing you my DIY Undisputed title. Here they are. I don't have anything. I just don't know. Anyways, I'm a Filipino. I can't speak English. I can speak English a little bit. So first is this one. Wait. I love this title. This one. Wait. No. This one. I love this. And this is the Universal Women's Title Championship. And next, this one is ugly. I just made it with my cousins. And I don't name of it. I don't put a name of it. Anyways, this is the precious one. I love this too. This is the World Most Heavyweight Women's Championship. It's the same of this red. Wait. Let me put it in my... Here. Anyways, this is the wait. Come on. This is the Women's Championship Lightness Heavyweight. Anyways, this is the precious one. And I'm showing you the highlight. That's so many. This is the first. I just colored it with the details. And this color, I don't know what's that. And I'm gonna make a money bank and 2 more titles or 5. So please support me in my channel, Franz Parangan, and don't forget to subscribe and like the notification. I'm gonna make what's that? Guys, shall I speak Filipino? Okay. Gagawa nga pala ako ng lalagyanan nito. Okay, gagawa ako ng lalagyanan nito kasi wala na akong paglalagyan. Dahil, tignan nyo ang space ng table ko. Yan. Yan ang space ng table ko. Yan lang. Kita nyo? Yan. Tapos, ito. 4. 4 yan. This is my 4 babies. Guys, never mind. The next I'm gonna make is the NXT Women's Championship and the World Most Heavyweight in Intercontinental in New York or in US. Say goodbye. Bye.